To recover deleted photos from Google Files Save folder. 1. Open the Google Files app. 2. Tap the three lines in the top left corner, then go to Settings. 3. Under Settings, turn on Show Hidden Files. This helps you view any hidden or temporary files that may still exist. 4. Go back and open the Save folder. Enter your PIN, pattern, or password. Check if your deleted photos are still there. 5. If the folder is empty, go back to the main storage view. Tap Internal Storage Files by Google folder if available. Check inside subfolders for hidden or leftover photo files. 6. If you can't find them, check your cloud storage. Open Google Drive or Google Photos, then check the trash bin section. You can restore deleted files within 30 days from trash. If the photos are deleted permanently from both safe folder and cloud, they cannot be recovered through the app.